Yes, let's do back pain practices on the bed. It's a very simple practices. You can just do it on the bed when you are getting up or when you are tired in the night before going to bed. Let's start with bridge posture. So take your leg little apart, around hip width apart. Okay. Place your hands by the side of the body. Just squeeze your buttocks. Squeeze your buttocks and see how much you can lift. Okay. Then gently release. If you can lift more, lift it. Instead of lifting up, just squeeze your hips and gently squeeze your abdomen when you are lifting. So when you are easily doing 2-3 rounds, now just synchronize your breathing with the hip movement. Breathe in, lift it how much you can. Breathe out, gently release it. Breathe in, lift it up. Breathe out, slowly, very slowly release. Breathe in, lift it up. Breathe out, slowly release. After this 5 to 10 rounds, gently take your legs together. Stretch your one leg slowly. Take your hands. You can just keep it by the side of the body also. Otherwise, you can just rest it like this. If you rest it like this, you can feel the shoulder relaxation. Now slowly lift your leg. When you are lifting your leg, you have to gently pull up your thigh muscles. Lift it up to the angle of the another leg like this. Do not lift it up completely like this or do not lift it up like this. Slowly, gently lift it up to the another leg knee, then release. Here also, breathe in up. Breathe out. 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 After that, just change your leg. Again, breathe in up. Breathe out. 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 Breathe in up, breathe out. Like this, minimum 5 rounds, maximum you can do it up to 10 rounds. After that, just fold your both legs, keep it together. Okay, if it is difficult to keep it together, take it little apart. Then take your both hands in the shoulder level. Okay. Now gently twist your both legs. When you are twisting your leg, you have to take your neck to the opposite direction. This is called lumbar stretch. Now slowly tilt your leg. Breathe out here also. Breathe in. Center. Synchronize your breathing with the movement and synchronize your leg movement with your neck movement. Like this. So when you are coming to center, that is breathe in. When you are tilting, let's breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. After around 5 rounds, slowly stop the practice. Now we want to cross leg lumbar stretch. Just keep your one leg on top of another. Movement is similar. Breathe out, tilt your leg and turn your neck. Breathe in center. Breathe out. If you have back pain, you can feel the discomfort or stretch or the compression in your lower back area or the lumbar area. After 3 to 5 rounds, you can hold it for a while. Posture, you can just keep on moving 3 to 5 rounds. Then slowly change your leg. Just be aware of the body when you are doing the practice. Be aware of the movement. Yoga is all about awareness, breathing, and alignment. Do it around 3 to 5 rounds. If you are tired, you can just stop it here. Otherwise, you can just move on to the next postures. Turn around, come on your knee. This is the famous practice for back pain. It's called cat and camel, tiger breathing. Now you have to push your hip joint up, you have to stretch your neck. When you are doing this, try to breathe in. Now gently squeeze your abdomen. Squeeze your abdomen, bend your neck as much as you can. Breathe in, up, breathe out. Do it as slow as possible. Breathe in, up, breathe out. Breathe in, up. Breathe out. Breathe in, up. Breathe out. Breathe in, up. Breathe out. If you have energy, we will move on to the next practice. Okay, take your hand little more 1 foot forward. Okay, breathe in. Try to take your thighs down, open up your chest, look up. Breathe out, take it back. Just breathe in, open up your chest, look up or look forward if it is difficult. Breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Gently stop the practice. By this, you can enjoy your sleep or you can ready for your day. Thank you for practicing.